guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonancysilvia, but you guys can just call me Nancy. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you are a returning fan, then hello! So for today's video, I am doing product review on Profusion cosmetics. They are mostly sold at Target, but they also sell them on their own website. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and what I think about it, then please keep on watching. So Profusion is a Target brand, or they are only sold at Target. I actually got these from them. So I got this, I got their blush palette, and then I got their highlighting palette. And their prices, they range from like $4.99 to like $12.99. So it's definitely a drugstore product. I've tried their palette already on one of my videos. I'll put the link down below. I wanted to try their newer stuff, so they were really kind to send me this. And no, this video is not sponsored. This is all going to be an honest review, so if I don't like them, I will tell you that I don't like them. So let's go ahead and do my blush. I'm not wearing any right now. So these are the beautiful colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them all. So this one, the one that I'm swatching right now, is called Bashful. And it's this really nice, like, bubblegum pink. So that is... The next one over is Playful. They feel super creamy. They are very soft. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this one's Playful. It's a, like a nice coral color. And this one is Juicy. It's another pinky, but it's more like... to me, it makes me think of a Barbie. So like a Barbie pink. And then this one is Alive. So that one is Alive. And then the next color is Lush. I just love how they feel. They feel so creamy. That one is not my favorite because it's so close to my skin tone that you can barely tell. But that would be better for like a more pale person. The last color is Great. It's more like a purple. Like a purple pink. And that one's gray. I personally don't like purple on my cheeks. I feel like if you were trying to do like an iridescent color, that one would work for it. But it's not like very natural. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go into Playful with the Morphe 530. And it does have some fallout, so beware. I really like how it looks. Alright, so that was the blush palette. I really like it. It feels so nice. It's really creamy. It does have some kickback, but it's not bad. And let's go ahead and do the highlight. Ooh, doesn't look like a good highlight. And then this is their highlight makeup case. It has 5 shades of highlight. I usually don't use the brushes that they come with. I basically always throw them away or just leave them in there when I don't use them. Alright, so let's go ahead and try some of these out. First one we're going to be trying is called Dreamy. And these again are very creamy. It's definitely, you have to build it to be able to see it, or I don't know if it's just my skin tone that's not really showing. Okay, but that's, oh, okay, you can see it. So that's, it looks gold, but in the palette it looks more like a nude, like a peachy nude. That's interesting. Alright, and then the next color is Charming, which is a yellow. On the skin it looks more pale. Doesn't look anything like what it looks inside the packaging. And that one. And then this one's more like a purple. It's like an iridescent color. Or that's what it looks like in the package. Yeah, so see, if you were going more for the iridescent colors, that would definitely be it. And this one's Jolly. This is like a coral. Or at least on my skin it looks like a coral. And then this one is Goddess. This is like a brown, or like a copper color. Definitely not one that, this one's more like for like a deeper skin tone. There you go. So I only like 2 out of these, which were Dreamy and Charming. I'm pretty sure that this is, I'll put the price on down below, but I don't know if it's worth the money. I've only liked 2 of them. I wouldn't see myself using the other three. So I don't think it's kind of worth your money. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and try Charming. I'm going to be using the 510 brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some of these. Have a lot of fallout. Like, it just got my whole desk dirty. I am impressed. It definitely looks better on my face than it did on my hand swatches. It's beautiful. That is such a beautiful color. It looks so good on my skin. It's so blinding. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting it to be that good. Okay, and then I got this big thing. So it comes with this Profusion's palette. This has mixed metallics and matted colors, and they look beautiful. So those are the colors. They look super pretty. The quality of these feels heavy. It feels good quality. The plastic is good. I love this, the indents. And it also came with a matted lip liner, which is a peach color. And then it came with the matted lip cream. And this is in the middle, peach. I think it has like a peach thing to it. So this one is the lip liner, and then the other one is a metallic lip cream. I really like the lip liner. I'm not so crazy about the metallic lippy, but we'll see how they are on the skin. And it comes with a little blending brush, which is cute. I'll try that out when I'm doing my eyeshadow. And I like that it has a mirror. It makes it easier for me to be able to see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and go into Outgoing, which is this one, with the Morphe M504. And this will be my first shade. It smells good. It kind of reminds me of the peach, the little Just Peaches palette with some of those colors. And it kind of smells like peaches. And then I'm going to go into this one, which is called Outspoken, using the Morphe M513 brush. I'm just gonna put right here. I'm gonna build it up in my crease. These colors are so easy to blend that it makes it super easy to blend them into your skin and into the other colors. I like the way it's looking so far. And then I'm gonna go back into Outgoing and just blend those two together. And then I'm going to use this Morphe 506 and go into Prime Sun, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to put that in the outer corner. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back into Outspoken. And just blending that out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use the 518. And then I'm going to go into Special, which is this one. And then I'm just going to deepen that just a little bit more. But I'm just going to focus this just on the outer corner. It's not as pigmented as the rest of them, which is kind of giving me... I thought it was going to be more chocolatey than it is. Pigment's not there. It's not... I feel like I really had to build it. It's just not as good as the other ones. The ones that I've tried so far. It's not as pigmented. I feel like I've been doing this forever right now. I do not like that. Alright, I'm going to go back into a Chrism. Just try to blend those in. Alright, I'm going to go back into Outgoing. And going on, I'm going to get this packing brush and I'm going to go into Certain, which is that middle color, and then spray it to make it more intense. It's a really nice color. It's like a nice copper orange. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, these colors are so nice. Except for that brown. That looks so cute. Alright, I'm just going to go back into that brown and try to intensify it. But at this time, I'm just going to use the E17 brush with that. And then I'm going to go back into Outspoken. I'm just trying to blend everything out. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. So I'm going to take this M432 brush. And then I'm going to go into Outgoing. And then I'm going to take some of Special. Just like really dig in there and try to go into that in the outer corner. This is driving me crazy. And then I'm going to go into Outspoken. And then I'm going to grab some of Polite, which is this white one. And I'm just going to highlight my eyebrow bone with it. I'm going to go ahead and do mascara, eyeliner, and eyelashes off camera. But I'll be right back. I don't know why, but it always takes me so long to do the eyelashes. I'm just... ugh. Plus the one that I was about to put on broke. Drove me crazy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. I'm just being weird. Sorry. I'm waiting for this to dry out. Alright, so I think we're good now. It feels really hard to do. It doesn't glide. I'm used to the pencil's just gliding. Let's go ahead and try out the lippy. This is the Metal Peach. I like the lip cream better than I did like the lip pencil, but I don't like the color. I feel like it's too metallic for this look. I mean, I would use it on top of something, but not on itself. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts. Let's go ahead and start off with the blush palette. So the blush palette is $4.99, and I really like the colors. I like most of them. The only color I really didn't like great because I don't see myself using it. I'm guessing that's more for a deeper skin tone. So if you have someone that's in a deeper skin tone, you might really like that color. I would buy this, so I do definitely recommend this. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. Next, we did the highlighting palette. So the highlighting palette, I'm looking on their Target website because that's where I would buy it off. So the highlighting palette is $6.99. If it was me, I would only just be using 2 out of the 5. Yes, they're very pigmented, and yes, they're super creamy, and there's nothing wrong with them, but I personally don't see myself buying it because I would only buy it for 2 things. It's $6.99, so if you have the money to spare and you want to try it out, I do recommend it because it's still really good. It's just I don't see myself buying it. So these 3, oh, I didn't use the brush. Oops. I'll try it out sometime. So these came in the package that I got, but I couldn't find the pricing for it. I'm pretty sure it'll probably be like $12.99 to you get 9 shades, and I really like it. You have your transition shades, so you have some bold colors, you have your shimmers, your metallics, and your mattes. So I really like this. I like the fact that it has a mirror. It feels like it's really good quality. Like, it doesn't feel like it's cheap. And I really like it. I feel like this could be a dupe for the Too Faced Just Peach palette. So this is good. I forgot to use the pencil. It got mixed in with my brushes, so I didn't use it. And then for these 2, okay, I didn't like this. And this is why. Whenever I used a lip pencil, I want it to be creamy and I want it to be able to glide on my lips so that I can get like a perfect line. As an artist, that is what you look for. Like coloring pencils or like pencils in general, you look for something that just kind of glides, and this didn't do that. it kept getting stuck. It was pointing. It was kind of like hurting my lip as I was trying to do it. But I really did like the color though. It was a nice pretty peach color. I just wish it was kind of more creamier. And this one, I like the creaminess. I like how it looks on my skin. It looks really pretty. But one thing I didn't like is the fact that it was metallic, so I really can't wear this often. It's not like glamorous, it's just something fun. I do like the texture. It doesn't transfer, so that's a good one. I'm not going to use the color. I'd probably put it on top of like a nude, but for $4.99 I'd buy it. So say yes for these, and yes for the palette. So the one thing I just didn't like out of everything that I got was the highlighting palette, and that is a score. Those are my thoughts. Like I said, that was a big win. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like the look, and I hope you guys like my opinion about those products. Although they are free, I am entitled to my opinion. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you that I like it because I got it for free. I am very thankful that Profusion decided to send me them, but I want to be entitled to my opinion, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!